In today's video, I am going to teach you before-after slider tutorial for Behance. By the end, you'll have a smooth interactive slider that lets viewers drag between your before and after visuals right inside your Behance project. First, prepare your images. The most important rule, your before and after files must be exactly the same dimensions. If one is even a few pixels off, the slider will jump or misalign. Open your images in your editor of choice and match the width and height precisely. And try to keep the framing and perspective consistent so the transition feels natural. This is also a good time to optimize the files. Large, uncompressed images can slow loading. Aim for web-friendly JPEGs or PNGs and keep file names simple. Next, host your images. Upload both files to an image hosting service like Dropbox, Imgur, or your own server. What you need are direct, publicly accessible URLs that end in .jpg or .png. If your link ends with extra parameters or doesn't show the file extension, it may not work in the slider. Make sure sharing is set to public and test the link in a private browser window. If the image loads by itself in the tab, you are good to go. Now, generate the slider. Go to Juxtapose, nightlab.com. In the left box, paste the URL for your before image. In the right box, paste the URL for your after image. You can customize the labels to something clear and helpful, like draft and final, so viewers know exactly what they're seeing. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm the images align properly, and the drag interaction feels smooth. When you are happy, get the embed code. Click Publish at the bottom of the Juxtapose page. You'll see an iframe field with the code you need. Copy that entire iframe snippet. This is what Behance will read to display the slider. Finally, embed it in Behance. Open your project editor on Behance and navigate to the spot where you want the slider to appear. Click the embed icon, which looks like a set of angle brackets. Paste the iframe code from Juxtapose into the box and click Embed. Give it a moment to load, then preview your project to make sure the slider displays correctly and scales nicely with your layout. If it doesn't appear, double-check that your image links are direct and end with .jpg or .png. That's it. Thanks for watching.